Would you just look at that pretty TruGreen yard? You wouldn't have thought that I'd gone through the hell I've gone through at the first of the year to what I've got right now. Look at that. But this video is going to have to definitely be a two-parter, because I mowed the yard Wednesday before work, and today is Friday, and the yard has grown, I bet you, an inch or more since I mowed it. So we're gonna go ahead and make this a two-part video, try to throw a little extra something in there, see if we can get more likes and stuff like that. So let's walk this yard and see what's going on with the rest of it. It's hot here in my neck of the woods, almost 90 degrees today. But I could use more of you guys subscribing to my channel if you could. I've got like, I'll throw it up there, I've got like 94% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribing, so I could use a subscriber or two. It would just help the channel out, and maybe things get better. I've got more content than just dealing with TruGreen. I've got bike videos, I've got some car show quickies. They're not much, but they're a little something to keep posting, keep people somewhat entertained. But back to the story at hand. I want to do a regular walkthrough, and then we're going to do a after I mow video, because it is looking so good. TruGreen came yesterday, unfortunately, while I was at work, so I could not get the drone footage of him working. So I'm just going to take for granted that he did his job 100%. And seeing how this yard has grown so much in just 2 days, I'd say, yeah, he put the feed to it. But as usual, place is looking good. Everything down through here is looking great. I wouldn't consider that part of the yard, like get rid of that clover. Hostas are coming along good. You can see Lewis got out here and mowed. Now I've got to mow. Neighborly competition there. But we're back in the pretty, buddy. Let me tell you, yard looks really good. I don't have any really bad spots to show you. I mean, I've got some bare spots, but I'll work on those. That's on me. I've gotten rid of about all of my violet issues. Just an occasional pop-up here and there. Speak of the devil. There's one right there in my dead moss. He's going to die. But we're going to pull that weed eater out here in just a minute. We're going to get started. Looks like somebody scalped back here. Looks like we got a storm brewing. I hope I get to make my second video. But I want to try and make a video after I mow. I hope the wind noise isn't too bad on here. But yeah, look at this. I'll get this spot twice. I mean, it's growing tall and quick. I'm going to put the camera all the way down to the ground. It's deep. I think it was cut on 3 3/4 Wednesday. So see if we can't get out here and get it better. So just in case I don't get to make my ending video with the mowed version, and I just wanted to thank everybody for watching my video and making it this far. And please do like and subscribe. I could use the subscribers. And I guess we're going to call it a video. So would you just look at that? Just a beautifully mowed yard. So crisp, so clean. But you think I'm going to let you see it all like that? No. We'll throw in a little bonus video. How about we cue some drone footage? All right, we'll walk around this yard. It ain't gonna be a big video. We're just gonna show some of the highlights and just how pretty the yard looks. Girls are over there playing. I mean, the yard looks really good, really good. I ain't gonna bore you with all the details, but my yard looks better than your yard. You stay on TruGreen's ass and this is what you get for it, boys. Hope you like that drone footage. And I want you to look at it. Just how good. You don't get much better than that. Look at that. Would you just look at that? Need to weed eat better. Get off my ass. But it looks really nice. But tell you what, I guess that's going to about do it for here. So I'm gonna have me another seat right where this video began. You can see the storm fixing to come in. I hope it stays away, but anyway, I could use some more subscribers to the channel. If you thought about subscribing, I'd appreciate it. It'll just help the channel out more. Like I said earlier, I've got more than just TruGreen videos, so get on there and check me out. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you think your yard looks better than mine. Can't talk, a little tired. So you guys be good. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everything you've done for me. So give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you on the flip side. Just remember, it's not a blade of grass, it's a freaking weed. Cookie's Crib out. Good night.